Mathematics for All by Neomath. So today we are going to discuss class 9 Mathematics chapter 1 number system, laws of exponents for real numbers, exercise 1.6. First question, find, first part is 64 power 1 by 2. So this problem can be solved in two ways. First we will discuss the method 1. Method 1, 64 the whole power, that is 64 power 1 by 2. So 64 can be written as 8 square. So 8 square the whole power 1 by 2. Now you can use the property a power m the whole power n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So 8 power 2 into 1 by 2. So we get 8. Clear? Method 2. Method 2, factorization, we can solve this problem. So 64, when you divide this by two prime numbers, you have to use 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the power of 6 the whole power 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 to the power of 6 by 2. So we get 2 cube, which is equal to 8. In both the methods you get the same answer. Clear? Yes. Question number 2. Question number 1 part 2, 32 power 1 by 5. So I am using prime factorization method. 32, 2 times 16, 2, 8, 4, 2, 2, 1. So 2 to the power of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 32 power 1 by 5 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 the whole power 1 by 5, which is equal to 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5. So 2 to the power of 5 by 5, which is equal to 2. (125 power 1 by 3). So 125 5 times. So 25 5 5. So 5 cube the whole power 1 by 3. So 5 into 3 into 1 by 3, which is equal to 5, 3 by 3 equal to 5. Next, question number 2. First part, 9 power 3 by 2 equal to, 9 can be written as 3 square the whole power 3 by 2. So 3 power 2 into 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, we get 3 cube, which can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27. Next, second part, the answer is 27. Here it is 27. (32) the power 22 by 5 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 power 2 by 5, which is equal to 2 to the power of 5 into 2 by 5 equal to 5 get cancelled, 2 square, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Next, third part, 16 power 3 by 4. 16 can be written as 2 power 4 the whole power 3 by 4. So 2 power 4 into 3 by 4, 4 get cancelled, 2 cube. So 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Next, fourth one. 125 the whole power minus 1 by 3. So 125 can be written as 5 cube the whole power minus 1 by 3. So 5 into 3 into minus 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. We get 5 power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 5. Negative exponent. This is the answer. Very simple question. We can easily solve it. Question number 3. First part. 2 power 2 by 3 into 2 power 1 by 5. So here the base are same and powers are different. So you have to use a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So 2 to the power of 2 by 3 into 2 to the power of 1 by 5 equal to 2 to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So the LCM is 15. 3 and 5 denominators. The denominator we have 3 and 5. So the LCM is 15. So 5 2s are 10 plus 3. We get 2 to the power of 13 by 15. So this is the answer for third question, first part. Second question, second part. 1 by 3 cube the whole power 7. So this can be written as 1 power 7 by 3 cube the whole power 7. So 1 power 7 is 1 by, here in the denominator part I am going to use the property a to the power of m the whole power n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So 3 power 21, which is equal to 3 power minus 21. So you can write 1 by 3 power 21 or 3 power minus 21 as the answer. Next, third part. (11) power 1 by 2 by 11 power 1 by 4. So here I can use the property a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 11 to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. We get half minus quarter. This is 1 by 4, right? So 11 to the power of 1 by 4 we get, isn't it? So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So we get 4. So 2 minus 1. So 1 by 4 we get. So 11 power 1 by 4 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Thank you, children.